In this video we're just going to look at the viewfinder options on the Panasonic GH6. Now this is quite a simple one, but it's one that I get asked quite a lot by people, because by default the camera, when you switch it on, you'll kind of find that sorry, let me put a lens cap on so you can actually see the screen on it. So quite often people will find that you know, the screen sort of intermittently is going out all the time, because some people just never use the viewfinder. But you know, below the viewfinder here you can kind of see this sensor, and by default when this sensor's covered, the screen switches off. And the reasoning behind that is because if that's covered, you know, the camera is assuming that your face is here and you're looking through the eyepiece. So and it can be a bit difficult, you know, if you've got the camera sort of rigged up with various things on it. Sometimes things get in the way, and you know, you're relying on the screen. You know, it might be that you've kind of got the screen pulled out. You know, if you're sort of over here with the screen, and then something's kind of covering this, and then the screen's going out. It's quite an easy thing to kind of get around. All you need to do is there's an LVF button on the side. So the live viewfinder, if you click it once, you can probably, actually you won't be able to see that, it's brought it into the actual viewfinder there. So one click brings it into the viewfinder, one click again brings us back, but now the sensor is essentially not enabled in the same way. So you know, if your face goes up to it, this is still on, so it's not going to work in that way anymore. So if you click it one more time, we're back to the sensor working. I mean, the way it's initially set up is, you know, it's a really useful way to have it. But like I say, you know, for certain people, they just want the screen. They're not really interested in the viewfinder eyepiece. So you know, if that's the case, just set it to that mode there, and then you know, this part of it just becomes less troublesome because you haven't got the sensor trying to sort of pick that up. So yeah, hopefully that's, you know, it's just a really quick kind of tip, but hopefully that's useful, and you know, it will save some troubles when you're trying to work with the screen. So yeah, if that's helped, just you know, drop a like, and if you've got any questions or anything, drop them in the comments, or if you want more GH6 kind of content, then please subscribe to the channel.